All right, we're doing a sanitary service line inspection here after the sewer repair in the backyard. Right now we're going to run up towards the house. You can see both cleanouts installed. There's also another set of cleanouts over by the kitchen window for the kitchen sink line. That line was replaced 3 years ago all the way to this section. This has now been repaired. The clay tile that was broken has been removed, and we are back in order. Okay, right now we're looking towards the house. We're running upstream. I have the water flowing from inside the house to show that everything's flowing nice. As you can see, we got no breaks here. Everything looks really good. Now we're in cast iron pipe. This is under the house, running up towards the bathrooms. And that's the vent stack going to the roof. 21 feet from the cleanouts to the vent stack, and the 90 drop to connect the vent. I'm going to pull back here. Okay, now we're going out to the alley. And here's where the broken clay was. So you can see no more breaks in the clay. Here's the city tap at 33 feet and 9 inches. I'm going to slowly pull back so you can get another view. When we're all done, we are going to treat this line with Root-X, which is a root killer and growth inhibitor product that we use on sewer lines of this age to help stop root growth from growing into the verified clay tile pipe. This line will need to be continued to be maintenance each year to keep the roots at bay. We do recommend continual Root-X as well. Here's the house. And that's our video.